Hi everyone, today we're talking about something lots of teens wonder about dating. If you're a teen interested in dating, we've got some easy tips. Number one, first things first, know yourself. Think about what you like and what matters to you. When you understand yourself, you'll find it easier to find someone who gets you. Number two, good communication is a must. Talk to your partner about your feelings and listen to theirs too. It's important to hear each other out. Number three, you've got school, hobbies, and friends to think about. When you date, make sure you're still giving time to all the things you. Number four, make sure you know your limits. If something makes you uncomfortable, speak up. If your partner doesn't respect your limits, that's not okay. Number five, sometimes friends or others might pressure you to do things you're not comfortable with. Remember, it's okay to say no. Stick with what feels right for you. Number six, breakups can be tough, but they're part of life. If a relationship ends, give yourself time to heal. Friends and family are there to support you. That's it for our dating tips for teens. Just be yourself, have fun, and remember that your happiness comes first. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and